Hey there, I decided to stop on my way home for a little hike and step out into nature. So this is one of the cool things about living in the mountains. I can pretty much just you know, step into nature anytime I need it. But then again, oh, here comes the sun. But then again, in the city, you do have trails and stuff too, which are really cool and stuff like that. So yeah, it is beautiful here, but I really want to be close to the city, like now. All right, bye. I don't believe in anything such as in love. I think that that's just might be a hormonal thing, pulling you towards someone or something like that. I don't think that there's anything such as in love. Those are just words, and those things are fleeting. I mean, however long they last. But real true love, when you really love someone, you would go to the ends of the earth for them. That's love. Hi, I feel like in some way I'm being drawn to go up here. I know that's like woo-woo crap, but I really do feel kind of drawn to go hiking right now and look at all this beautiful stuff, beautiful place, and just appreciate it, even though I feel stuck. Just love it and embrace it and appreciate it and be grateful for it. And I think that's what you should do too. Even though you may feel stuck, just look at what you can appreciate. God, that's annoying. Okay, I go like this and then like this, and I have little bags under my eyes. See, oh my God, I hate it. I want to not age ever. I don't know if I ever had those bags under my eyes. Okay, ready? Okay, straight face. No bags. Smile. Wait. But it's when I really smile with my eyes. There go. And it's especially on let's see. Hold on for a second. It's this one. Little baggies. Go away, baggies. Bye-bye, baggies. Okay.